How to Post a Live Photo on Instagram Story 2026 Guide. Want to upload a live photo to your Instagram story? Follow these simple steps. Step 1. Make sure Live Photo is enabled on iPhone. Open the Camera app, turn on Live Photo, circle icon at the top, capture your photo. Live photos only work on iPhones. Step 2. Open Instagram Story. Open Instagram, tap Your Story, open your gallery. Step 3. Select the live photo. Choose the live photo you just captured. If the live photo is recent, Instagram will automatically convert it into a short motion clip, boomerang style. Step 4. Edit and post. Add text, stickers, or filters if needed. Tap Your Story to upload. If live photo is not working, make sure the photo was taken within the last 24 hours or convert it first using the boomerang effect inside Instagram. Update Instagram to the latest version. Ensure the live photo option was turned on when capturing. Target summary. Capture live photo, open Instagram story, select live photo, post. This method works best on iPhone for converting live photos into animated Instagram stories.